Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Today we're going to be making an incredible, beautiful vegetable stew with cumin. So it's kind of got a bit of a kind of Middle Eastern vibe to it, not fully, but that kind of vibe. Garlic, cumin, turmeric, parsley, any vegetables you like really. It's got some chickpeas in there. It's absolutely delicious, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. Let's start down the front here today. So, garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped. Parsley, if you want you could be using some cilantro or coriander. 2 teaspoons turmeric, 2 teaspoons cumin, a little bit of fresh chili, 135 grams of tomato paste, 1 large onion chopped. Let's move to the back now. The tomatoes, that's 1 can, 400 ml can, regular size can of tomatoes. Now the other guys, the vegetables in that here, you can be interchanging these using whatever you want. Let's take a look what I've got. I've got some zucchini, kusa or courgette, whatever you call that, cauliflower, some bell peppers, carrot, white cabbage and chickpeas. These are cooked chickpeas from a can I'm using. If you're going to use from a can, always give them a nice wash in some cold water. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. This is very, very easy and delicious. Okay, you're going to need a pot or a pan. I'm actually using this large wok so you can see what's going on. It's just a bit clearer. So, oil. I've got some sunflower oil in there. You could be using something else if you wanted, like, olive oil. Let's start off by getting in our onion, our garlic, and then you just need to start adding your hardest vegetables. So in my case it's going to be these carrots, and I'm going to get my chickpeas in now as well. But yeah, celery, mushrooms, eggplant, the list goes on and on. You can just add whatever you want, some potatoes. Okay, medium heat, 3 minutes. Keep this moving, then we'll move on. This is coming on really nicely. We've got a nice little head start on these guys. Now, I'm going to get in my cabbage, my white cabbage, my cauliflower, and this cabbage will really cook down, it'll break down. Now we're going to add black pepper, salt, and then we're going to go turmeric and cumin powder, 2 teaspoons each for this amount. And then again, keep this moving. We're going to go for another 3-4 minutes. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, my last 2 vegetables, bell peppers, zucchini, and I'm just going to drop in that optional little bit of fresh chili. Give this a mix, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water at this stage, just a tiny amount to help it on its way. Absolutely wonderful. Now we're going to get those tomatoes, that can of tomatoes. These were whole, and what I've done is I've just chopped them up, and then that tomato paste in the mix. Fabulous. Fabulous. Okay, let's lower the heat down to not a simmer but above a simmer. You can cover this if you want, I'm not going to, but I'm going to let it go now for about 5 to 6 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then. We are very, very nearly done, and this is going to taste absolutely divine. Okay, off goes the heat. That is looking absolutely fabulous. It's deepened in colour, as you can see. Vegetables are cooked really nicely. Check that for salt. Only one more thing to go in, and that's our parsley. Or like I say, you could be putting in some cilantro or coriander. Again, like I say, add what vegetables you like. Maybe a few black or green olives in this could be good. But yeah, absolutely wonderful. I'm happy with that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click the bell icon below. Check out the social media. There's loads going on Facebook and all that stuff. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.